Hey there IG Garage family, so is your check engine light on and showing the P0161 code? Well, that means your bank 2, sensor 2 oxygen sensor heater circuit is malfunctioning. Ignoring this can actually lead to poor fuel economy, higher emissions, and yeah, even longer warm-up times for your engine. But don't stress. Today, I'll break down what P0161 means, show you where to find the affected sensor, and let you know how to fix it quickly. Stick around because catching this issue early can really save you money and keep your engine running nice and smooth. The P0161 trouble code pops up when the heater circuit in the downstream oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 2, is just not working right. This sensor actually helps your ECU adjust the fuel mixture by monitoring how well the catalytic converter is doing its job. So when the heater circuit fails, the sensor takes way too long to reach its operating temperature, which can lead to incorrect readings and unfortunately, increased emissions. Here are the symptoms of P0161. You'll notice the check engine light is on, poor fuel efficiency, longer warm-up times for your engine, and, yeah, increased emissions too. Now let's talk about the common causes. First, a faulty oxygen sensor. If the sensor heater is bad, it just won't work right. Second, a blown fuse or relay. The heater circuit might not be getting any power. Third, damaged wiring or connectors, things like corrosion, breaks, or loose connections, can totally cause a circuit failure. And finally, ECU issues. In rare cases, the engine control module might not be sending power to the sensor. Alright, so bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Sensor 2 refers to the downstream oxygen sensor, which means it's located after the catalytic converter. You'll usually find it attached to the exhaust pipe, typically underneath the car. Now the sensor also has a heating element that needs proper voltage to work right. It connects back to the ECU through a wiring harness, and it's important to inspect that harness for any damage. First, check the fuse and relay. You'll want to locate the fuse for the O2 sensor heater circuit. If the fuse is blown, just replace it. But if it blows again, you'll need to check for wiring issues. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or disconnected wires. Go ahead and repair or replace any damaged wiring as needed. Then, test the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Use a multimeter to check for power and ground at the sensor connector. If there's no power, check the wiring and ECU connections. If the heater circuit is faulty, replace the sensor with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0161 code and drive for a few miles to make sure the check engine light doesn't come back. So, that's how you fix P0161 and keep your car running efficiently. Taking care of this issue will help improve your fuel economy and prevent further engine problems down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos. P0075, Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit for Bank 1, and P0076, Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Low for Bank 1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.